Hi everyone, my name is Justin Klimevski. I'm a student in the Master of Science in Finance program at the Ilitch School of Business. I'm currently in my final year and I'll be graduating in December 2025. My journey at Wayne State started in August 2020 as a freshman, and fast forward 4 years later, I completed my bachelor's degree in business administration and I jumped straight into the M.S.F program that following semester. I primarily chose Wayne State for two main reasons: the location and the culture. I knew going into college that having the opportunity to study in the heart of downtown Detroit would be a very unique experience, and that was something that was very appealing to me. I definitely entered this program with a passion for finance. I knew that after I finished my bachelor's degree, I really wanted to expand my knowledge of it, and the Wayne State M.S.F program was the perfect opportunity for that. I'd say that the classroom experience is very fun and engaging. The professors do a really good job at making sure that there's a lot of classroom discussion going on, and in a lot of classes, we'll just start class off by talking about what's going on in the market, how are stocks doing, any new news and politics maybe. So I really enjoy this open environment within the classrooms, and I love that there's a huge emphasis on group projects within these courses. It gives you a chance to really build connections with your classmates and ideally leverage those relationships beyond just the classroom. The program covers topics such as financial modeling, corporate finance, and quantitative analysis. And one of the things I enjoy most about the program is that it has courses that teach students an introduction to coding and programming languages such as Python and Stata. I believe these are really crucial skills to learn early on in anyone's career, because nowadays more and more finance companies are seeking out these types of skills within their new grads. So being able to have experience with these early on is very beneficial. From the skills I've developed within the classroom, I've been able to land internships at companies like JP where I'll be spending my time this summer as a summer analyst within their middle market banking and specialized industries program. I knew that I wanted to work in banking after all my studies within school, and JP being one of the biggest banks in America, if not the biggest, being able to secure an internship there was really huge for me, especially early on in my career. And ideally, once the internship is over, I'll secure a return offer to start there full time. The Wayne State M.S.F program truly is a hidden gem at the university. I highly recommend this to anyone looking to deepen their understanding of financial markets and quantitative theories.